I'm here with my Dash egg bite maker, and we are going to be making egg bites.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So I have my egg bite maker plugged in. It is heating up. I have 2 eggs, which I've beaten. I have some herbs, which I will be sprinkling on top. And I have the water that you need to put on the bottom of the egg maker. It is actually 3 tablespoons of water. Each little egg bite cup holds 3 tablespoons. So let's start making egg bites. First thing I'm going to do is open up the egg bite maker. And I am going to put my cups in here. Then I am going to pour the water into the bottom. Got a little bit of water in this egg cup, so we're going to take that out. This is already hot, you could tell. Next, I am going to take my eggs. This is just beaten eggs. And pour them in. They say to pour them, oh, that's too much. They say to fill 3/4 of an egg cup with egg, and that first one has too much in it. I'm going to cook these like it is, and if it overflows, it'll be a good example of what not to do. So now I'm just going to take my herbs and sprinkle some of my herbs over the top. I'm using parsley, dill, salt, pepper, and some smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika. It'll give these a nice bacony flavor without having to use any bacon. I just love herbs. It'll make them look pretty also. So now we are going to close this, and we'll be back in about 10 minutes. It's been almost 8 minutes, so let's check on the egg bites. Let's see what's going on here. This is what they look like. I want to touch them. Yeah, they look like they've cooked. Let's leave them in there just another minute, just to make sure they're cooked. I've unplugged the egg bite maker. It's been another minute, and these should be done. So I'm able to pick them up with the handle. They are quite hot. I probably should not be doing this. Maybe you should pick these up with a tong or something. But they're not hot enough that they're burning me. Here are the egg bites in their cups, and as we can see, nothing overflowed, which is good. So these eggs do not really rise that much. Silicone is warm. How are we going to get these out? Let me go grab a knife. Okay, I actually grabbed a fork. Maybe I should have used some cooking spray. I'm just trying to go around the edges to loosen it. So this egg bite broke. Let's cut into it. That's what it looks like. It looks like it's cooked. I'm going to taste it. Let me taste this piece. It's cooked. It tastes like a scrambled egg. And let's try this one. I'm going to put a knife around the edges. I'll pop the knife underneath. There we go. There we go. That egg bite came out really good. Let me try it with the others. Oh, this one broke. There's still egg in here. These egg cups probably need to be sprayed with a cooking spray. And this one looks like it could use some more cooking on the bottom, which is strange. On this one, the bottom looks like it's cooked. This one had the least amount of egg in it, Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, that came out better. There's still a little egg stuck to the bottom. Now, I did wash and dry these silicone cups before making these, so I don't know if that would have anything to do. We read the instructions, and the instructions said you don't really need to put non-stick spray on those cups because they're silicone, nothing should stick, but these stuck. They taste like scrambled eggs. They're really just like fancy scrambled eggs. Now this is cooked, it's just runny. Some people like their eggs runny, but with egg bites, you obviously don't want them to be runny. That tastes like a soft boiled egg. If you've ever had a soft boiled egg, that's what that just tasted like. So, yeah. So these are my egg bites. To me, these egg bites are just a fancy way of making an omelet. They're like little, small omelets. And I think it's easier just to make an omelet and then cut it into smaller pieces if you want smaller pieces. Let's try this again with 2 more egg cups. I have another egg that I've beaten, and I thought I had cooking spray, but when I went to use the cooking spray, it was empty. So I just took some olive oil and I put a little in each cup. I'm only making 2 cups, and I'm just pushing the olive oil around with my finger, and I'm going to do the same with this cup, and maybe by oiling them, they won't stick. I'm probably going to need to add a little bit more water to the bottom of this also. So first let me add the egg. There's 1 large egg, and let me go grab some more water. I just added some more water. And I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes. I'll be back in 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now, so let's open this up and let's see what's going on here. So this egg bite really grew, and this one not as much. They feel firm. I'm going to unplug it. Always be careful, everything's hot. And I'm going to grab the corner of this egg bite cup. Here are the egg bites. I've let them cool for about a minute, and the one that rose the most collapsed the most. So that was the one that was really high. Now let's see. Are these stuck to the side? These look like they're stuck to the side also. They definitely don't pop out. If I push from the bottom, they definitely don't pop out if I push from the bottom. Let me grab a knife. I think it's worse. I think by adding the oil, more egg actually stuck to the cups, which is weird. You would think by adding the oil nothing would stick. So that stuck a lot. And let's try this one. These definitely don't come out. I'm going to try a fork on this one. If I just put a fork on one side, it comes out and there's a little bit stuck to the inside of the cup. That's what the bottoms of the egg bites look like. I did not add anything to this egg. It was just 1 beaten egg. So to be honest, I think these small egg cups are a bit of a pain. I'd rather just make something without these little cups. If you have one of these egg bite makers, please leave a comment below and let me know what happens when you make egg bites in these silicone cups. Do they stick for you? Do you do something special to make them not stick to the cup? How do you get them out so they don't stick? Please leave a comment and let me know. And so this is how you can make egg bites in a Dash Mini egg bite maker. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.